We're going to learn about area. Area is something we can discover about shapes. The area of a shape refers to how much space is inside of it. Area is very different from perimeter. If you'll remember, perimeter is the space around a shape. Area is the space inside of a shape. Alright, so area is the space inside of a shape, and perimeter is the space around a shape. So they're very different, aren't they? And this video is all about area. We're going to learn how to find the space inside of a shape. This should be fun. Let's play a game called What's the Area? We want to find the area of this shape. What kind of shape is this? Yeah, a square. Remember, the area of a shape is the space inside of the shape. We are going to measure the area of the shape using square units. So, the area of the shape is how much space is inside of it. So, how many square units are inside of this square? Do you know? If you don't, just count them up. Yeah, 4. There are 4 square units in this square. 4 square units is the area of this square. Okay, that was cool, right? Let's try figuring out the area of this rectangle. Just like last time, we are going to measure the area of this rectangle using square units. Remember, the area of a shape is the space inside of the shape. So, how many square units are in this rectangle? Do you know? Yeah, there are 5 square units in this rectangle. Great job! That's the area of this rectangle. 5 square units. Awesome. Now we are going to look at an irregular shape. What is the area of this shape? Just like we did with the others, we are going to measure the area of this shape using square units. How many square units are inside of this shape? Feel free to pause this video to give yourself time to count them. Were you able to count all of them? How many square units are in this shape? What is the area of this shape? Yeah, 12 square units. Great job. There are 12 square units in this irregular shape. So far, finding the area has been very easy because we've shown you the inside of the shape, so all you have to do is count how many units are inside. But what if you can't see the units inside the shape? What if there are just numbers that you know and you have to come up with the area another way? Here is the fun part. To find the area of a shape, you have to use multiplication. Yeah, multiplication! So, how do you find the area of a square or a rectangle using multiplication? All you have to do is multiply the length times the width to get the area. Here, we'll show you. Let's say we want to find the area of this rectangle. It is 6 feet long and 1 foot wide. Remember to...
I just found an app that can get you in a plus in any class. Just upload your assignment and it'll give you all...
Find the area of a square or a rectangle. All we have to do is multiply the length times the width. The length times the width is the area. It's just simple multiplication. So we would write 6 times 1. 6 times 1 will give us the area of this rectangle. What is 6 times 1? Do you know? Yeah, 6 times 1 is 6. Whenever you multiply a number times 1, it stays the same. So our answer is 6 feet squared. that little 2 next to feet means squared. It tells us that the rectangle has 6 square feet of space inside. The area is 6 feet squared. Why don't we try another one? Let's say we want to find the area of this square. It is 3 centimeters long on each side.